जय हिंद, जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय। Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Red Rose Institute. This is Avi Bhattacharya, and also we would like to welcome you to our group discussion conversation. And today our topic of group discussion is a wonderful topic, and we are super excited to discuss about today's topic. You know what is today's topic? Yes, the today's topic is Chandrayaan-3. Friends, we are all super excited to discuss about this topic because you know on 23rd of August we achieved this wonderful milestone, and the lunar mission project of India, okay, organized by ISRO, was the most prestigious project of lunar mission in India. So we are going to start our discussion.
Chandrayaan-3, the name itself fills us with the excitement and curiosity. Chandrayaan-3 is the third lunar mission by ISRO. It consists a lunar lander named Vikram and lunar rover named Pragyan, and also for the advancement of the future lunar missions. Thank you.
Thanks to my previous speaker, the successful landing of Chandrayaan-3 is really a remarkable success and a red letter day in the space research history of India. On the memorable day of 23rd August in 6 p.m., India's Space Research Organization ISRO was successful to land Chandrayaan-3 on the moon's surface. India was the first country to land it in the South Pole. Earlier, 3 countries sent their Chandrayaans or lunar vehicles only in the North Pole: China, Russia and USA. But South Pole was vulnerable for landing of any type of Chandrayaan because it was full of craters, rough surface, etc. So no other countries dared to land Chandrayaan in that place. But India was the first country to become successful. In the South Pole there are some permanent shadow areas, some craters are there. So there is possibility of water and also about the fossil fuels. To prove that, India's mission was this, to know about the surface and the elements of the moon surface. The success did not come easily. It started far ago in 2008. India started Chandrayaan-1, and that time it was not successful, but it laid the foundation stone for the future research and it encouraged the ISRO scientists. India's second target was in 2019, when for only some time the mission was failed, but in 2023 at last ISRO scientists got success, and it was really great success for India's history, and in future India will be able to make more scientific advancement in space research. I think so. That's all. Thank you from my side.
Chandrayaan-3 planned to use the proven and orbiter of Chandrayaan-2 and focus on the lander and rover system. This is reduced some of the complexities and risks associated with the full-up mission. Thank you.
And I heard they are incorporating lessons learned from Chandrayaan-2's experience to improve the landing process. Thank you.
Chandrayaan-3 can potentially make significant contribution by studying Moon's South Pole, which is an area of great interest due to possible water ice deposits.
It also showcases India's growing capabilities in space exploration and technology. Thank you.
Well, Chandrayaan-3 is just one step. India has plans for Chandrayaan-4 and even a manned mission to the moon in the future. Thank you.
With global efforts to sustainable with human presence on the moon.
I am curious about the specific scientific instrument on Chandrayaan-3. Can anyone shed light on that?
Yes, I can answer that. As we all know, Chandrayaan-3 consists of 2 parts. The first one is a lander named Vikram, and the second one is Pragyan, the rover. it will send us some pictures on of moon, and also study about the it will also study the mineralogy and water or ice on moon.
How does Chandrayaan-3 fit into the broader context of lunar exploration efforts?
Chandrayaan-3 involves international collaboration which promotes the sharing of knowledge and resources among space agencies.
I am curious about the launch vehicle for Chandrayaan-3. Does anyone have information on that?
Chandrayaan-3 is expected to use the JSLV Mk3 launch vehicle, the same ones used for Chandrayaan-2. It's known for its reliability and payload capacity. Thank you.
I am interested in the potential scientific discovery. So, what kind of data we are expecting from Chandrayaan-3?
Chandrayaan-3 aims to provide high-resolution images of the lunar surface and study the materials and explore the lunar exosphere. Thank you.
I have heard that Chandrayaan-3 will be part of ISRO's larger vision for space exploring. Can you elaborate that?
Sure, Chandrayaan-3 is a part of ISRO's version 2022, which includes mission Mars and Venus to other celestial bodies, and India's commitment.
Given the importance of program explanation, what the potential application for Chandrayaan-3 fielding for future space mission?
After successfully Chandrayaan-3 mission completed, it's tried to their future planning missions about the lunar surface. They can in future they can send our man and our future generation to the safely and in the moon surface, and to collect the data about the collect the crucial data in the lunar surface, and about the what is the condition of the moon and what is the current environment in the moon. Just the
How is Chandrayaan-3 contributing to find out moon's water and ice preservation?
Chandrayaan-3 will use its instrument to map and analyze lunar water ice, and this is vital for potential colonization and as efforts as water.
I would like to discuss with Chandrayaan-3.
Chandrayaan-3 data could be significant and contributes in our country and research, lunar geology, the history of the moon's surface and evolution over time. This information will be invaluable for our lunar research.
I am interested in the international collaboration aspect. How are other countries involved in Chandrayaan-3?
Chandrayaan-3 is expected to continue collaboration with international space agencies. For example, NASA has expressed interest in sharing data and knowledge and enhancing global cooperation in lunar exploration. Thank you.
How do you think that studying this region can help lunar science?
Earlier, the other three countries, Russia, China and USA, sent their lunar mission to the North Pole, but India was the first to send their Chandrayaan in the South Pole to probe about the landscape, their quality of the soil, if there is any minerals or there is any trapped water. If any information can be collected by this, then it will help in future research, and India will be able to send human beings on moon. And next time, if any other launching is done, the fossil fuel can be collected from the moon also. Instead of taking from the earth, it can be collected from the moon also. And we don't know what happen in future, but sending and successful landing of Chandrayaan in the South Pole will definitely is a remarkable progress success for future research, and what starts one day, it may be developed or definitely will be developed in the recent future. That's all.
It was a wonderful discussion, and so let us keep looking to the moon. Who knows, the Bikram brings a new discovery for us, and so wishing you a fantastic day ahead. That's it. Thank you very much.